Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and this is a follow-up to my last system tour video. And this is something that was worthy of getting in there that I forgot about. And what this is a peak switch. And as most of you probably are nowadays, your utility company charges you extra for using power during a certain time of the day. Well, I devised a way so that when peak hours rolls around, it doesn't matter if I'm here or not. This switch, when it turns on, what it'll do is let's say I'm on utility power. I've got my switch and it's switched over to utility power. Well, what that'll do is that'll knock out that switch, and if that inverter's turned off, it'll turn the inverter on and automatically switch over to solar power. So anyways, I thought that was something that should have been put in the last video that I forgot about and that you might find interesting. And before I go, I'll just mention this, because I didn't get that either. That's my solar switch, and that controls my solar sensors over there. That switches the panels in and out. And it doesn't need to be sucking up any power when it's dark. So, from dusk to dawn, it kills the power to that, so it's not eating up any excess power. So anyways, that's all I wanted to add to my last video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you all in the next one.